I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, in our today's video, we will start a new chapter which is a river's tale. Now kids, first of all, we will study that what is the meaning of tale. Now, as I've told you many a times, tale means story. So, in this chapter, we will read the story of a river. Now kids, you have heard dog's tale. So, it is also a tale, but its spelling is somewhat different. Its spelling is T-A-I-L and this is dog's tale. In Hindi, we call it Poonch. So, your chapter is a river's tale. Tale means story. So kids, in this chapter, we will read the story of a river. Now kids, we will start this chapter with an activity. Means, first of all, in this chapter, we will do one activity. Now, let's start. Now here kids, you can see one picture. By looking to this picture, you have to create one story. Means you have to write one story related to this picture. Now all these words you have to use in your story. Yes, you have to look at the picture and you have to create one story. You have to make one interesting story. And kids, you also have to give the title of the story. Now what is the meaning of the title? See kids, as your chapter's title or the heading or the name is a river's tale. Same way you have to give your story also one title. Title means the heading or the name. Now kids, first of all, we will write the names of the things which we are seeing in this picture. Now kids, first of all, we can see from the starting onwards, there are mountains. Secondly, you can see one river is coming out of the mountain. Now, in the river, you can see fishes also. Now besides the river, you can see some trees also. Now with trees, you can see some animals. Yes, some are there besides the river and some are there inside the river also. They are bathing inside the river. Now after animals, you can see some houses kids, some small houses, and together all the houses makes a village. Now as the river moves forward, you can see some buildings. Yes, you can see some buildings to the right hand side. Besides building, you can also see one ship kids. Yes, ships are also there in this picture. Now you can also see some factories kids from which the pollutants are coming out. Yes, you can see some factories are there, and from those factories waste material is coming out and it is discharging into the river. Now the last one is sea. See, river is coming out of the mountain, and from the mountain it is crossing a village, it is going from the city, it is going from the factories, and at last it is meeting with the sea. So these are the things which we can see in the picture. So these are the 10 things which we can see inside the picture, kids. Now we will start our story. Yes, kids, you have to form one story and you have to also write the title of the story. So let's start our story related to this picture. Now kids, here you can see one word, factories. Now what does this word factory means? See kids, factory is a place where you manufacture something. Now manufacture means Now kids, manufacture means to produce or make. Means where you make something, you produce something, that is called manufacture. Now in the factories, you manufacture things, many things. Like you eat chocolate, kids. So where that chocolate come to the shop? Where it is made in the factories. Yes, factories used to make those chocolates and then those chocolates come to your shop. Now kids, just look at the picture. You can see that when the river was coming from the mountains, a lot of fishes were there in the river. But as it moves forward and then when it comes to the city, fishes are less. Now why? Any reason is there? Yes, a reason is there. See kids, when river was coming out from the mountain, at that time it has a very clear color. Yes, it is very clear, it is very pure. Now slowly when it is moving forward and it is moving through the city, moving through the village, at that time many waste material, many garbage was there inside the river. And slowly, just because of that garbage, fishes have become less. Now what it means? It means that fishes need pure water. Fishes need pure water to survive. Like if you will throw garbage inside the river water, if you will throw waste material inside the river water, then these fishes, or you can say the other water animals, will die. So kids, with this picture you get to know that how the harmful waste material coming out of the factories, from the village, are destroying our aquatic life. Now kids, let's move to the story. See kids, the story is made on the picture which I have shown you before. Now kids, let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was a river full of clear blue water, and that river had also many fishes inside it. There were also lots of water plants inside the water. Animals and birds used to drink that water. Now why? Because when it is coming out of the mountain, it is very clear, blue and pure. Now slowly this river water reached a village. Now many of the people from the village used to fill their pots. Now kids, you know what is pot? Pot is a utensil in which you can put water. You can save water inside it for drinking, bathing and for many other purposes. So people of the village filled the pots with river water. Now you can see kids that some animals are there inside the water. This means that people of the village are making their animals bath inside the water, and they are also washing their clothes on the bank of the river. Now one thing which you can see or which you can notice, that when the river was coming out of the mountain, it is full of fishes. Now slowly the number of fishes are decreasing. Yes. Now why? Because all these activities are going through. Yes, means bathing of animals, washing of clothes, and just because of all these activities, the number of fishes are decreasing. Now slowly river reached a city. As you can see, the buildings and factories there, which we have discussed already. Now in the city, you can see the big buildings are there, the big factories are there near the river. Now kids, you can also see one ship near the factories. Now kids, with this ship, the goods means the items or the products which are made in the factories were supplied through the river, which were required for the factory. Means with this ship, goods are being transferred from one place to another. Means this ship used to carry goods. Goods means items. In Hindi, you call it saman. So this is goods. Now kids, one more thing is there to notice. You can see that oil is spilling out of the ship. Now what is the meaning of oil spill? See kids, the meaning of oil spill is when oil comes out of the ship, that is called oil spill. So kids, you can see in the picture that the oil is coming out of the ship and it is going into the river. Same way, you can see the waste from the factories are also moving towards the river, means it is going inside the river. Now with this, you can also see that waste from the factories are also moving into the river, means the waste is discharging into the river. Now you can see that there were only few fishes left in the river. Now why? Because the waste discharged from the village, from the factories have destroyed the aquatic life, and the river has changed from clear blue. Yes, as we have talked earlier that the river was clear blue. So the river has changed from clear blue to filthy. Filthy means dirty. So the river has changed from filthy means dirty, and foul smelling. Now what is the meaning of foul? Foul means bad. So the river has changed from filthy means dirty and foul smelling means bad smell. Now kids, this is our story and it belongs to a river which we have seen in the picture. Now kids, we can put the title as The Changing River. Now why the title is Changing River? Because when the river was coming out of the mountain, at that time it was clear blue. But slowly when it reaches to the city, its color changes just because of the waste. So kids, this is our story related to the picture. Now kids, we will move to an activity.
Page number 107. Look at the pictures and answer the following questions. What is the color of the river where it begins? Water has no color. When we observe water in a river from a distance, we find it to be bluish in color. Next, at some places there are many fish in the river. At others, there are only a few, and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. Aquatic animals like fish need fresh water, as I have told you in this video. In places where river is not polluted, many fishes would live in that water. Similarly, in areas where factory waste and domestic waste are poured in the river, it gets polluted and kill fishes and water plants.